What's up, guys? I've been investing $50 every week into the S&P 500 ETF of VOO for 2 years and 3 months. By the end of this week, I've achieved a 22.6% return rate. Stay tuned for my weekly update. Bad news, folks. The S&P 500 took a 4.2% nosedive this week. Yep, you heard that right. It's the worst weekly performance since 2023.
Oh my God.
What caused it? Well, the August non-farm jobs report released on Friday, and it's pointing to a weakening US labor market. Now, everyone's looking at the Federal Reserve to see what they'll do next. Some are even hoping for a 50 basis point rate cut, saying 25 might not be enough. So yeah, it's been a bitter week, but our investing journey must go on. I made my weekly $50 VOO purchase around 1:30 p.m. on Tuesday, bringing my total holdings to 14.3 shares. With the big drop, the current value sits at 71.11, and my profits are fallen to 13.11, which translates to a 22.6% return rate. The following chart shows you the overview of my entire investing journey. We're officially in a seasonally choppy period for the market, with volatility ramping up as we head into September and October. And let's not forget the US elections are coming up in November. With all this uncertainty, it's easy to worry about losing more profits down the road, but not me. I'm in this for a long haul. As a long-term investor, I see these dips as chances to buy more shares at discount prices. Remember, we've been through the ups and downs before, and the key to success, consistency and patience. If you like this series, feel free to join me on this journey. All it takes is $50 a week. Trust me, if I can do it, you can definitely do it better. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you next time.